harvest Jack's potatoes. It's cold today.
Yeah, just a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, got a runny nose now. Okay.
That's your wheelbarrow, Jack.
What? Okay. Sweetie garden. Jack and I were done some weeding, was this last week. If we have a good weather tomorrow, then I will do some weeding. Okay. Here you go. This is the garlic that we planted when it's 2 weeks ago. Mmm.
Coming.
Yeah, lots coming.
Huh?
So they're ready next year in June, honey.
June should be, yeah.
How about the onions? Not yet, honey.
Not yet, they'll come. They'll come soon.
Okay.
Not quick as cows.
No.
How many walls are glowing?
Look, Filipino squash. They're dead. Not even one squash. Oh, okay. Not this year. No. Nothing. Wow. Wow, this is gonna be cold hands digging potatoes. Well, it's muddy, so we have to.
I still wear gloves. I'd get muddy gloves. My hands couldn't cope with that dirt.
I don't know. Let's see. Okay.
I'm sure Ashley now.
No.
Ashley, you can help. Actually, come and pull the sheep back with me, please.
I'm not wearing the right shoes.
That was silly.
Well, I didn't do
Can't keep coming down here with the wrong shoes on.
I am not wearing the right shoes. Jack, give me your wellies. You want to swap shoes?
No. If it's right, I know it because you have not the white shoes.
Yeah, I know, but I'm doing this. Yeah, let's go this way.
I'm watching from Nice.
Oh,
I got green.
Uh-oh, no.
that's sweet, dude.
Naughty.
I'll have to dig that out. That's
You're going to have to.
soil on top of it.
Oh, look at that! Look at that thing.
What is it? What is it? I know what it is. What is it?
2 centipedes.
You know what that is? That's a common brown centipede. And they have 15 pairs of legs. They
Not
do.
100.
No. Most have 100 over, but this is like a brown common UK centipede. They have 15 pairs of legs. Okay, if they have 15 pairs of legs, how many legs do they have altogether? Do you know what a pair is?
Not together.
2. So they have 15 pairs. So how many legs altogether do they have?
50. 30.
That's correct. There you go, no guessing, just math. We got that. I think there won't be.
Oh no, because Bear will play the potatoes.
Oh, she'll eat the potatoes?
Playing with it.
I'll play with it.
Okay.
Queen potato. Eating queen potato.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're going to roll that.
Oh no.
Get that in. Ash.
We need that.
No.
Yeah.
We normally do this as we walk on. That'll do, Ash.
High five. Right 10. Right 10. Check. Ready? What are you doing? Okay.
You tricked me.
How did I trick you? You wanted to high five. High 10.
Oh, that's
There.
There was a mouse in there, but it's gone now, Bear.
Okay. Start digging that.
We need gloves, I think.
My hands are cold already, Dem.
Yeah. Oh,
Do you have any gloves?
that glove is not for wet.
Yeah. I still use mine weeding. It does help a bit. I use the fabric ones. It's all I have.
Yeah.
So.
Is it? Oh, Spencer's showing.
Yeah, but Spencer's hardy.
Yeah, he's hard.
Yeah.
Oh, nettles. Yeah. Here.
That's a big potato.
Where did I put that? Put that.
Don't bang, don't drop it.
Don't
gently.
drop it, because we're gonna
Good boy.
store them.
You
Oh
bruise
wow! Look at that. That was mine. That's a
Wow.
big potato. Holy moly!
So do they last better when you put them underneath the...
They'll last forever. There's only one problem. The longer you leave them here, the more the mice eat.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
We've always
at
left them
that.
in.
Yeah.
But last year we lost a lot.
So that's why you're picking them up now and
Yeah.
storing them.
So, good potatoes.
Yeah, they are. What kind of potatoes are they?
These
Not
are
King Edward, are they?
sharp, sharp morel because they're blight resistant. Oh, yeah, Jack. Oh, it's an empty shell, Jack.
Catch bear.
You've got quite a lot.
You see, Ash? This is one root
Yeah.
from one potato.
Yeah, I know how potatoes work. But they're quite good ones then.
Yeah, these are, we grow these to, ow, that hurt. 2 reasons. One,
Chips.
chips.
Yeah.
And I reckon the second is because the blight doesn't get them.
Okay. So I might grow some of them next year. And then you just use any small potato as a new potato, don't you?
Well,
Or is there any better?
we like foremost, and also like
Thinking.
iron pilots, because once you miss grow big
This one.
for chips. They're new potatoes that grow huge.
Yeah.
Ireland pirate.
Aaron, double A-R-O-R-A-N. So, and they grow like that size quickly.
Okay.
They're really good.
Okay.
You've got another. What, Jack?
Because we've got no potatoes.
There. Behind you.
But we were meant to plant more, but we didn't.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Right, I'll leave you to it. I'm going to do some gardening of my
But
own.
usually these are just
Oh, this is not
Move
good
on.
now.
they've gone deep this year,
That's one. Put him here.
but normally they're just on the top ash.
Purple
Oh,
barrel.
right,
That's
okay.
why we like this method. You don't have to dig for them.
So how come they've gone deep this year then?
Must be better soil.
Oh, they just sunk.
Oh, did we put more compost there? So it must be. There should be. Oh, there it is there.
So. But I guess that's oh, be careful
Oh, yeah,
right underneath
yeah.
where that is resting. You're squashing them.
No, don't worry about that.
I didn't you want to store them. I didn't know you wanted to bruise them or not then. So. I'll bring your book back. I'm gonna buy one myself actually. I was looking last night. It looks quite helpful.
Oh, there you go then.
So Oh, look at all them maggoties.
Maggots?
Right, your bear's just waiting. That's getting potatoes and bear's just staring. Don't encourage her to eat the potatoes, Jack, then you won't have any. Will you?
She's gonna eat all the potatoes.
I don't know, I bet she'd try. I bet she'd try and eat all the potatoes.
Soil I put down, but it doesn't matter so much because the potatoes is bad, but next year it'll be just planted on top of,
Potato
not
in
inside.
the well.
Wow! Oh my god!
Show that to the camera, Jack.
Go take that and show.
Wow, not too close. There.
Look at that.
A big potato.
Do you see the picture comes to your head?
Wow,
Now
There you go.
that is a big potato. Yeah. Wow. This is huge. Bigger than my head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna find a bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a scavenger for the big one.
You're the scavenge for a big one. I
Don't know what that is.
This is the big one.
What is that?
No idea.
Yeah.
Did you just plant and take out people's gardens?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a...
Right.
Okay.
If you get all these,
So what you gonna do with this now, honey? This is the good ones.
we'll put in the greenhouse.
You have to dry them up, yeah?
Dry off and then we can store them when they're dried a little bit.
Yeah, this is the bad ones.
That's the ones we'll cook them for the chickens.
Yeah, it's not gonna be wasted.
we
We're
won't
gonna
waste
put
them.
them in the...
We'll make eggs out of them.
Hmm?
We turn potatoes into eggs.
Okay then, so you're gonna take the...
I'll take this to the greenhouse.
Okay. Whew, that's a heavy sheet.
Sorry?
That's a heavy sheet.
Yeah. I'll just pull it the other way after.
Okay. Start digging.
There, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there.
white one is, what you call that? Shallot?
Charlotte.
Charlotte. You flip it over there.
Good potatoes. Chicken potatoes. Pretty wife. Pretty hard working wife.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So we're gonna go to the greenhouse now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Get the small ones, yeah?
Yeah.
This is for our dinner. No, what happened? Small ones, because I just like small ones.
Where's my big one? My big potato.
In the greenhouse, no?
Ready
Dry off.
frying.
Dirty face.
That's good. So this is for our dinner. We're gonna steam them.
And a couple of carrots and a cauliflower.
Yeah.
What did Ashley say?
She's coming down in a minute.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, go. Okay, Jack. Do your job, Jack.
Come on, Jack.
What?
Tell you now.
Oh. No, I get. Oh,
Well, fine, then.
it's fine.
You're doing with the tractor there.
Okay.
How come you had to place them in so gently then?
Yeah, no, you
Yeah,
just
there you
chip
go.
it over.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh, that one's still there.
Nice winner. Look.
Yeah, stuck.
It's going to waste.
Oh, how's your lemongrass?
There you go.
Up there.
Well, then.
Yeah, I thought you were going to put it in.
Yeah, I will. I will take him now.
Yeah. Wow.
Super water.
This one looks good.
Oh yeah.
So
Oh, I like
I'm gonna put that
lemongrass.
in the house.
Wait, are you getting the bad ones? Oh, onions. Oh, the chilies are looking good now.
They are not that really hot.
Well, they're not.
No.
Would they be hotter when you dry them?
Yeah, I
Or
think
roast
so.
them? People
Just
do
when
that.
it's dry, I think.
When they're dry. So people, they roast them and put them in like oil as well. I don't know if that makes them hotter or not though.
I don't know.
But I think it might do. I should look into it maybe and see. There you go. And what's that?
The style.
Ah, okay.
See? Oh,
We haven't got many butternut
There you
squash and pumpkin left, just a few.
it's big ones there. It's a big ones there. You go, guys.
You know what you can have for Christmas, Jack? You can have some sprouts.
There you go. Okay, go on. Pau's enjoying. Pau's loving it. Just.
This dog is fat.
You getting tired now?
Didn't have any lunch today.
No, not yet.
No, we haven't had lunch either. We've had no lunch today. I don't even know what we're having for lunch.
I don't think it's going to be that obvious with the boards.
But I just wanted to put you, if you're doing that professionally, you get knocked back for that, Pete. You know, for the contracting for the big companies, they would not really have that.
No, none of us could see it.
Okay. Dana, dude. gonna make some lunch, shall we?
Oh, oh. Well, Pete can give me a hand for 2 minutes.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.